Today we got a great testimonial. This lady was detail cleaning her kitchen, and here's what she said. "Oh my goodness, while I was detail cleaning for Zone 2 this week, I smiled while wiping down the face of my oven, and I said, I wonder, and opened the door. Let's see if this will clean the inside of my oven." So I went to wiping, and sure enough, it worked on all the spots and grimes on the surface of my oven. Came off with just a little water and elbow grease. Amazing. They are truly amazing rags, and they are my go-to rags for everything now. I love them, and I have others, but these are just the difference. Thanks for finding such great items for us. You yourself is amazing, and God bless. I just love the fact that we can clean with no chemicals. I have allergies, and I hate putting things into our environment when there doesn't need to be. This is Flying in Texas from Vicky. Now, I decided that I would take her testimonial and put it to use in my kitchen. It's summertime. It's too hot to run my self-cleaning oven. So I set my timer for 15 minutes. I filled my sink up with hot soapy water. And I just grabbed the oldest, dirtiest purple rag that I had, and it was done in no time at all. I still had time left on my timer. So, folks, my purple rag cleaned my oven. What can your purple rag do?